tonight, court documents are shedding light on the Chambers County woman who has been married 5 times and is accused of killing at least 2 of her exes. According to those documents, Sarah Hartsfield was involved in a murder plot just a couple of years ago. KPRC 2's Bryce Newberry live in the newsroom tonight with what he's uncovered. Bryce, you've been covering this woman's story now for weeks. What have you uncovered now?
Well, Daniela, these court documents allege Sarah Hartsfield told one of her ex-husbands he was not allowed back in their home until he carried out that supposed plot to kill the new wife of a different ex-husband. Tonight, shocking new allegations about Sarah Hartsfield. The 48-year-old is already in the Chambers County Jail accused of murdering her 5th husband, and she's being investigated in the 2018 shooting death of her then fiancé. Now, newly obtained court documents allege in 2021 she put a hit out on ex-husband Christopher Donahue's new wife. The alleged hitman? Her then husband, David George. The filing for a protective order against her claims she wanted the woman dead so that Donahue would be too busy dealing with the death to focus on fighting for their children anymore. According to Donahue's sworn affidavit, George allegedly told him he had a pistol that was given to him by Sarah to carry out this act, but that he'd been trying for months to get Sarah to stop pressuring him, and that he'd lie to her about why it hadn't happened yet. In separate filings weeks later, George denied the alleged plot, calling it a plan to remove the girls from their mom, but also admitted to traveling to Donahue's home in Arizona from Minnesota. The plot came to light in March 2021 in Sierra Vista, Arizona. Local police there confirming to KPRC 2 News an FBI agent contacted one of their detectives and advised they were investigating. The agent requested a close patrol of Donahue's residence until they had a better understanding of the case. When investigators spoke to Sarah at her home, she, quote, lied about everything and the agents were gone. Court records show a week later, she filed to divorce David George, the man she wanted to carry out that alleged hit. She's now being held on a $5 million bond in the Chambers County Jail for the Texas murder charge.
The nature of the offender, a woman who's allegedly engaged in a variety of criminal wrongdoing that you're not likely to see in your typical run-of-the-mill murder defendant.
KPRC 2 legal analyst Brian Weiss weighing in on the case that continues to have twists and turns.
When it comes to the punishment stage of any criminal trial in Texas, if in fact she's convicted of murder, I can almost assure you that this jury will hear almost everything about her life.
And according to those documents we obtained, Hartsfield lost custody of her 2 younger children after that alleged murder plot came to light. The judge writing family violence occurred and was likely to occur in the future. The judge also ordered no contact between her and the kids or the new wife, an order that is still in effect tonight. We reached out to lawyers for Hartsfield tonight. They have not responded, but earlier this week in a statement to KPRC2 maintained their client's innocence as they fight to get her bond reduced. Live in the newsroom tonight, I'm Bryce Newberry, KPRC 2 News.